innovation doesn't happen all at once. It comes in waves. So the initial set of partnerships that you build with one innovation then become the carriers for the next and the next and the next. And I think that this is all very much prelude to the scaled blockchain. And when that arrives, I think we're going to see an enormous explosion in the space. So it's important to have the strategic partnerships in place today.
One of the things we're building is Corda. Corda is a distributed ledger platform that we've built from the ground up by and with our members. We open sourced Corda at the end of November, and its usage and excitement in the community is growing rapidly. We also run the Lab and Research Center, which allows our members to run very focused and rigorous projects to apply and evaluate different distributed ledger technologies to different use cases to understand where the specific opportunity might be for their businesses. Our relationship with Microsoft and Microsoft Azure has worked really well for our work in the Lab and Research Center and for our development of Corda. We're able to spin up instances of multiple different distributed ledger platforms and deploy them to our diverse and globally distributed member base. It's working really well for us.
So for us, the real attraction of Azure was the, hyperscale expansion of Microsoft in the data center and the sort of Azure fabric. Ultimately, for us, Azure has given us not only the ability to use blockchain, but all the other parts of the ecosystem that you'd expect. So if that's from the high-speed cryptlet technology that they're bringing out with Bletchley, down to their service fabric, which is high-speed ingestion of data, the actual data warehousing capability they have, which gives us huge scale and huge ability to stand up new environments. So the real attraction is the huge ecosystem that Microsoft brings to the table.
We found working with Microsoft was a very easy, fast way of getting things done. Because the thing with new technology development is that when you build a company doing new technology, all of the people in your company specialize in doing new technology. And it's such a different operating environment from working with the kind of institutional, IT managers, IT departments, the way that strategy is made, the way that investment is done, that bridging those gaps is extremely difficult. And with Microsoft as an intermediary in that kind of process, if you could build an interface with Microsoft at one side, Microsoft is the interface with the big corporates on the other side, and then Microsoft internally resolves the gap between those two levels of understanding.
We are wallet services, and we're building a blockchain as a service platform for developers. We're building that platform on Azure, and that's a real strategic advantage for us in enabling us to bring the platform to market very quickly. We are building on the platform a number of use cases, the first of which is Sika, a secure sharing platform for public services.
At Wallet Services, we've decided to build on Service Fabric, and we've done that because we needed a cross-platform solution that's scalable, resilient, and most of all secure.
I'm Chief Executive and co-founder of BTL Group. We're a blockchain technology company developing an enterprise blockchain solution called Interbit. It's a blockchain platform with a key focus on privacy and scalability. We're very excited to have been working with Microsoft for a number of months now, looking to develop a partnership and really work out how we can partner with Microsoft to bring Interbit, our blockchain platform, to full commercialization.
So Apply Blockchain is a BizSpark Plus partner with Microsoft. We've met through the Level 39 Accelerator, which is where we're based. And Tallystics is a solution creating an invoice financing marketplace using blockchain smart contract technology. And we've been using the Microsoft Azure platform to deploy that and to demonstrate it to our customers, and working with Microsoft, talking more closely about the underlying technology and the problems that we need to solve to see whether those can be solved together.
In the next 12 months, I think that as people keep experimenting and testing this technology and prototyping it, then we will find some limitations within the current blockchain technologies, especially smart contracts, where there will be a need to integrate external additional services into the blockchain applications.
One thing to reflect on is really Microsoft have changed so much. Certainly I've seen as a partner with them that they have evolved from being a business that was very much closed to very open and open standard based nowadays, and that's a real attraction to their new ecosystem and how it bolts into the new world, and actually that makes it even more attractive. Right down from the use of GitHub to other technologies, they're very, very open these days.